Welcome to today's video. As the crisp fall air sets in, there's no better time to bring some of that natural beauty indoors with creative pinecone decorations. Pinecones are versatile, affordable, and add a rustic, cozy touch to any space. In today's video, we'll share some inspiring ways to decorate your home with pinecones for the fall season. These ideas are simple, timeless, and perfect for adding that autumn charm. Pinecone wreath. Start with a classic, create a simple pinecone wreath. Add a burlap ribbon or small fall leaves for a rustic touch. Pinecone and candle centerpiece. Arrange pinecones around tall pillar candles on a tray for an elegant and natural table centerpiece. Painted pinecones in a bowl. Paint the tips of your pinecones in fall colors like gold, orange, or white, and display them in a decorative bowl for a festive touch. Pinecone garland. String pinecones together with twine to create a garland. Hang it along your fireplace mantle or above a door for a warm, rustic look. Pinecone vase filler. Fill a clear vase with pinecones and fall foliage. It's an easy way to add texture and color to your space. Pinecone napkin rings. Tie a small pinecone to a piece of twine and wrap it around your napkins for a natural, cozy table setting. Pinecone and acorn mobile. Make a hanging mobile by combining pinecones and acorns tied with rustic twine for a charming fall decoration. Pinecone door hanger. Bundle several pinecones with a ribbon and hang them from your front door for a simple, welcoming fall look. Pinecone and mason jar lanterns. Place mini pinecones in mason jars with LED candles for a warm glow. Line them up on your mantle or along a windowsill. Pinecone wall art. Glue pinecones in the shape of a heart or fall leaf on a wooden frame for a custom piece of wall art. Pinecone table runner. Create a table runner using pinecones, greenery, and small pumpkins for a festive fall tablescape. Pinecone topiary. Glue pinecones onto a foam ball to make a topiary. Place it in a small pot for a natural fall decoration. Frosted pinecones. Lightly spray pinecones with white paint or glitter to mimic the first frost of fall. Display them in baskets around the house. Pinecone fire starters. Dip pinecones in wax, add a bit of cinnamon scent, and use them as decorative fire starters for your fireplace. Pinecone curtain tiebacks. Attach small pinecones to rope or twine and use them as tiebacks for your curtains, adding a rustic, natural touch to your living space. Pinecone and pumpkin display. Combine pinecones with mini pumpkins and gourds on your coffee table or entryway for a simple autumn vignette. Pinecone coasters. Cut thin slices of wood and attach small pinecones to the edges for unique handmade coasters. Pinecone picture frame. Glue small pinecones around the edges of a plain picture frame to give it a fall makeover. Pinecone candle holders. Use small pinecones as a base for taper candles. It's a unique way to bring nature to your fall table. Pinecone mirror border. Frame a mirror with pinecones for a cozy, fall-inspired focal point in any room. That wraps up some innovative Pinecone decor ideas for the fall season. Whether you prefer simple touches or bold centerpieces, Pinecones offer endless possibilities to bring warmth and charm to your home. Don't forget to subscribe for more fall decor ideas. Thanks for watching.